What are the advantages of using a drone? It's safer, it's faster, it's appreciated by the homeowner. It makes our proposals more professional and our closing packages more professional. I'm Chad Beard, owner and operator of BC Exteriors, based out of Fenton, Michigan. Let's get into it. Ever since I started using a drone on all my inspections or initial meetings with homeowners and building owners, it's been a game changer. You know, I don't have to worry about getting on steep slope roofs anymore. And so for my safety and for the safety of my guys, it's helps me sleep at night, you know? So, I mean, that's been good, but also the footage that you get, I actually feel like I get better pictures of problem areas and of trouble spots better with the drone. The technology of drones now, if you get a really good one, it has 4K video, it has 4K photos, super high definition photos. You can zoom in and get right there on the trouble spot and capture that photo, and it's like you're standing right there. You can also go down even with the slope and tilt the camera up so that you get a really good view of the shingles, and you can see shingles that are popping up. Whereas if you're up on the roof, you might not actually see that unless you get down low and are looking up. And so I feel like ever since I've implemented drones in our practice, our inspections, the photos have been substantially better. And then being able to get the super high aerial view of the neighborhood and of the house, you can see all the lichen and other things that are growing in the shingles and the discoloration. You could see the granule loss. You can see where critters can get in and out and get to those hard reach places. You know, not having to pull out a 40-foot ladder on a job site is amazing. Now, just flying a drone over somebody's house or somebody's building and then talking to them about their roof, I do feel is incomplete. I do think that you need to we still have to get into the attic and do a thorough attic inspection. Attics tell a much better story of a roof, I feel, which we'll be making videos about that as well and answering those questions. So using a drone, I feel like it's a must-have nowadays, and we will be continuing to use them moving forward. And as the technology on drones gets better and better, we'll continue to upgrade those drones and use the newer technology. It's safer, it's faster, it's appreciated by the homeowner. It makes our proposals more professional and our closing packages more professional. So we like it, homeowners like it. Again, I'm Chad Beard, owner and operator of BC Exteriors, your local roofer. Check out other videos that we've done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.